what's up, guys? We're playing Animal Hospital again with Aisha, and Dr. Hero is actually an anomaly, and he turned every anomaly into he turned every normal person into an anomaly. So that's why there's anomalies in the hospital.
That's it. Okay. So let's go now.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Wanna go now?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Go.
Start now.
You start. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Can I treat the patient?
Yeah.
I'll be at the middle of the hallway. No, I'll just be with you.
Just be the doctor.
I'll be both, I guess.
No. We must have roles. You'll be the nurse, and I'll be like, I'll like.
Can I be the Can I be the person in front of you?
No.
Please.
No.
Well, I'll still be.
No.
I don't want to go out there by myself.
Just go.
Fine. If you tell me if there's an anomaly, don't close the shutters right away. Ooh, Yuki Fujita, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. Okay, picking you as my mate is like something. Alright. There you go.
Okay, hurry up. I'll treat the patient. You just wait in front.
Yeah. Our first patient needs herbs.
Okay.
Or eye drops. Okay, be prepared with herbs and eye drops.
Okay, where are you?
Oh, never mind, herbs. The second patient needs eye drops.
Take care now. Ouch, shut up. Oh my god.
Let's just lock in now, okay?
Oh.
It's taking a long time for it
What do you need?
to not darken.
Herbs. Okay, great.
Okay, the second one needs eye drops.
Hey, I don't need to hear that.
I make a think of it. Everybody knows. Oh yeah.
What does the second patient need?
Eye drops. I said that like a billion
Is
of
he
times,
here
bro. Yes. Room 2. Gosh.
Why is the patient taking so long? Never mind, he's recovered now. Yeah, you're not getting out of here, bud. Hurry up, I'm gonna open the door for you. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Let me just watch you work.
Dinner.
Sakadum pading, padum ting dum
What do you
padum
have?
king. Sakadum pading.
Oh my god.
Let me just give it this.
Not yet. Red eyes, great. Okay, put it on.
Okay.
Do they tell you on the computer thing?
Okay, yeah. Doctor is arriving. Go, 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 fast, 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 fast. Gosh, are you serious right now? Oh man, I just tried doing the hack thingy. Alright, go, camera.
Come on. Yeah. Is he normal?
I'm trying to do the hack. Of course, the doctor is normal, bro. Are you serious right now, bro?
Okay, hurry up.
Oh my gosh, it's taking
Go away. Go away, Brody. Go away, Brody. Go away, Brody.
Go. Hurry up. Let's go. I'm trying to do this hack.
Where do I need to be? Can I have the coffee?
No. Oh yeah.
Oh man. How is it you?
I don't know.
Oh, it's because I treat the patient.
Get
Oh my
out.
Wait,
Can I have the coffee?
Wait. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Wait, no, don't close it yet. I want to look at him. Oh my god, never mind.
Can you just
close the shutters?
Can you just get out, please? Just get out.
Why?
Get out. Get ready. Just get out.
Go away. I'm gonna come in front of you.
Alright.
Haha, he's mad.
Alright, finally. Alright, this patient is normal.
Yeah, can you close the shutters?
No, he's normal.
Fine.
Okay, I think he's normal because
Make fatty.
sometimes he is like not normal, but sometimes he is normal. So we have to check the cameras and stuff.
I checked the
Okay,
photo.
he is okay.
I took the photo.
Okay, he's normal.
He's normal. Okay, you can like.
Okay, you can just go like
What room?
there. Room, not yet.
By the way, what medicine does he need?
3.
Okay.
I don't know that. I only know the shift 1.
Kaiser is spamming me, bro. I mean you.
Okay. Oh, hi.
Who's that?
Okay, he is Ron from accounting. Alright, so he's definitely not an anomaly. So yeah, absolutely not an anomaly. So we should probably just let him in. Then we just check just in case. Alright, so just try to focus.
Can you hurry up? Hurry up, computer.
Take a photo.
I've got other things to do, bro.
Is the shop open?
Computer, hurry.
No, it's
up.
closed.
Computer app. Hurry up.
Oh, there you go. Go from accounting.
So what?
Let's go. Level up!
An IV drop.
I got a level up, bro.
Okay. Wait a second.
First time getting a level up. Let's go.
IV drop.
Okay, we're going to do a speed run.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. Hurry up, hurry up. Until shift like 100, okay?
Go.
Alright, please, please.
Like 66 or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Never mind, that's the devil's number.
Okay.
Like 50.
Okay, yeah, 50.
50 is good.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
Wait a minute. Alright, okay.
Is there an anomaly?
No.
There could be small changes. Did you look at the camera?
I don't even need to look at the camera for Ron from accounting because he is always
That patient. Not wrong.
Oh yeah,
What
I
room
checked
is it?
everything.
What room?
I forgot. Does the cooperation
Oh, yeah,
own
number
this
2.
place? I don't know. Don't
Oh my
ask
god,
me.
that's an anomaly, Ira. What do I do when there's eyes on the wall?
Okay, that is not an anomaly. Just walk in, don't look up. That's just what the?
I literally just looked up before.
Alright.
I'm not gonna look up. Stop spamming me.
Okay, if the lights flicker so much, that means there's the stalker. Just look down, because if you look at the stalker, your sanity will just go down. You know. Okay. Are you doing good there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Don't look up.
I thought you were the stalker, bro.
Wait, wait, what? Oh, I am
Make me
pink.
so scared. Are you looking up?
Wait, since when can we like? Or what?
What are you doing?
Okay, let's go now.
Okay, I'm gonna take some coffee now.
Yeah.
The coffee's still brewing, bro.
Wait, what? We need to treat more patients. I think there are like more
There's
patients.
still some. There's still the eyeballs.
Bro, I don't see any more patients. What is? Oh, Ron! Bro, you forgot to put Ron.
You didn't tell me. You forgot to tell me that. By the way, can I do it?
Okay, sure. Bye.
What does he need? Dehydration.
Gosh,
So basically, IV drops.
I don't want to play with Kaida.
Yeah. She's fat.
Okay, no. Oh, the doctor is arriving. Please give me a higher rates, please. They're here for ages. Then leave. Gosh. Okay. Go. Luckily.
The supply shop is open.
Am I moving? Never mind.
The supply shop's open. The door.
Let's go! I got a camera lens now. Yay!
I want to try that later.
No, it doesn't work anymore. Sorry.
Wow.
Yay! Let's go. Oh, you're
Yeah,
the best.
haha.
Okay, I'll buy this for us, so it will just the computer thingy will be faster.
Ira, somebody's coming.
All right, can you just go out? Yeah. Okay, we're just
There's
gonna
still
put
eyes
badge.
cold. What room is he?
This is actually so fun, bro. Okay, this guy is normal. Let's go. I'm so happy I got this hack.
Okay, room 4, please.
All right, so this guy would just make a ritual. So I'm probably sure you're new to this ritual
Ira,
stuff.
there's an anomaly. There's like a guy camouflaging.
Okay, yeah, don't look and don't make eye contact with him.
I just made
Oh,
eye
yeah.
contact with him.
So
I just made eye contact with him.
don't make eye contact. Oh, the stalker. I don't think it's a stalker though. It didn't flicker too much. Yep, it is a stalker. All right.
Where? Up there?
There is something like a stalker near you somewhere.
Yeah, I know. Fever. What's in here? Thermal. Go get it. Get the thermal, not the med kit. Nope. Ira, what do I do in this situation? Something just like came up to me.
I don't know, bro. Aisha, the coffee is ready.
Yay. I need to get my sanity up. It was flickering, bro.
I can see it. I don't even need to check the cameras anymore since I already have like camera eyes now.
So how do I drink this?
So I like how he talks. He seems normal.
That's taking so long, though. 5.
Ruby Beach. Go. Sakadum pading padungking. Ah. Sakadum pading padungking. I don't think that's how. Sakadum pading padungking. Oreo Watanabe. Okay.
Ira!
Such a nice name.
Why is there so much patience?
Or maybe because I'm speed running.
I don't know.
Okay. Oh man, I just got out of camera mode. Are you serious right now? Okay, that's fine.
God.
Okay, this is.
What room is it now? Wait.
Oh yep, this is an anomaly. Get out.
What's this thing?
Oh, ritual.
Room 5.
Okay, don't worry. I think I started the ritual though.
Girl.
Don't worry. Go back. I've been here before.
I've been in this. I watched Cash play.
Aisha, can you just like? Okay. Okay, Aisha, like.
Yes, finally.
Alright, so I just wasted my eye drops. You're supposed to use eye drops, by the way. So yeah. Oh, slime.
What is this?
Okay. No, don't.
Why?
Okay, don't. No.
Why?
Alright, so just let me do it, okay? You're supposed to use cough syrup, so yeah.
What room even is it? Room 7? What is this?
Okay, let me do it if it's hard. Yep, it's hard.
I want to do it.
Okay, alright,
For no
then do
reason.
it.
Oh my god, what is this?
Okay, I think you're just the. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. What am I supposed to do here?
Not helping you, but.
You can help.
Okay.
You can help.
No, I don't want to help.
Because I have no absolutely idea what to do here. Oh, I think I'm supposed to interact with this.
No, you are not supposed to interact with that.
Then what?
Oh my god.
Then what?
Go to the computer. Not that computer.
This.
No, not that.
I can't.
My gosh.
Oh,
wait,
Dad.
what? You're supposed to interact with this.
When I went to that thing, I couldn't like. I
Okay,
didn't know.
go.
Thanks.
You're supposed to click on the hearts.
I have good aim. I think I'm not supposed to press on the skeleton. I have good aim, I guess.
Gang.
I have good aim. I watch Cash do this,
Okay, you. Alright, so
but I'm not.
you
Like,
should not
that.
be trusted now.
I'm not trusty girl. So now what do I do?
Okay, yep, an anomaly. Perfect. Just what I need today. Hello? Get out, please. Can you just please get out? Aisha, did you buy the double window thingy? Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind. You did not. Alright. Oh, I'm supposed to give him a coffee. Alright, so let me just give him a coffee real quick. Oh, sorry! Oh my god, I accidentally rejected this dude. Rafu! Rafu! Okay, just a minute, okay?
Maple syrup.
Okay, this dude is just so stupid though. Okay.
Okay, I'm finally done. I don't want to wait.
Rafu! I love Rafu!
I don't want to wait for this stupid patient.
Rafu!
Do I open the curtains?
Oh, it's so cute, Rafu.
Do I open the curtains?
No. Are you serious? I don't really know what you're doing right now, so yeah. I'm speedrunning right now with Rafu! You better hurry up because Rafu is in room 1. You better treat him properly.
Okay,
Or
hurry
her.
up. Okay, I'm gonna wait beside the door. Why is he even your favorite?
It's everyone's favorite. You haven't even treated 2 patients. There's 2 patients more. Okay, whatever. I'll just treat them because you don't want to. Alright.
I don't want to.
Anyways,
I'm too lazy to do that. You're like speed running way too fast.
because yeah. Wait, where even are the patients?
I know.
Okay.
Fever, stomachache, hurry up. Thermal.
Oh, there you go.
Maple syrup.
Alright, so let me just Aisha, look. Aisha, wait. Aisha?
What?
Aisha, look. Alright, I need a key to open that. Finalizing. Bleeding stomachache! What? Okay, maple syrup.
I treated him properly now.
Okay.
I can't leave him away. I'm too late.
Maple syrup.
Bandages,
Can you move, please?
herbs, and bandages.
Okay.
What even is this?
Doctor is arriving.
Can I do the camera lens? Please.
Oh, it doesn't work, I think, anymore.
No.
Oh, yeah, it does work. Hurry up.
Bro, where is the camera?
They are behind you.
I can't never mind. I can just do that next time. I don't really care.
Unstable.
Throw SMP.
Unstable SMP. I don't need your stupid advice, bro.
Look, he's so short and black.
Where's Rafu? Where's Rafu?
There. Ira, there's the taser.
Rafu. Yeah, taser. Can I just like keep the taser? Yeah, thank you.
The shop is open. I don't want to do that. I'm too lazy. Ooh, fast cola. I want to buy that if I even have enough. Oh, I have enough. I'm gonna use that later. Ira, person.
Okay, can you like move, please? Let's go. One camera down. Right, that ain't good. Where is the camera that's down? No, every camera seems okay. Oh, the fixed camera.
Hurry up. Why is this thing taking so long?
Can you just wait? Because you are just like impatient. You are impatient.
I know.
You're not. That's not okay.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm
Okay,
not
then I'll
looking up.
speed run even faster. Then yeah, let's go.
Hurry up, bro. Oh my god. Should I just give you this thing? Should I just give you the boost cola?
Oh my god, what is wrong with this person? Oh, yep, he is an anomaly.
Boy, hurry up. Bro, why do you keep on closing it? So annoying.
He's okay. Run from accounting again. Let's go. Hurry up, run. What's
Stomachache.
taking you so long?
Herbs. Maybe.
Yes, I am still here. Yeah. Mid monster.
Yeah, I'm too lazy to wait for you, so bye.
Okay, this guy is taking way too long, bro.
You can go now, Ron.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh, patient on fire. I'll handle with it. I'll handle it.
Thanks.
I'll handle it. Where is it? Where is he?
I'm here in front.
Oh, okay.
Thanks.
Do you have ointment? Where's ointment? We need ointment. I think.
Over here.
Alright, so I'll just grab some ointment. Plus, we need to treat the burns.
Oh my god, no.
Bro, never mind. We don't need to treat the
There was something black, bro. There was something black. Hurry up, it's a surgery, bro. What do you need? Sleep patients. What the hell do you need now? IV drops. IV drops. Supply treatment. What do you need now? Where's the freaking
Oh
med
god,
kit?
I haven't checked the
Med kit,
cameras.
med kit.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, shut up. Is that it? Yeah, medicine. Good.
Okay, great.
Okay, mom. Where's the scalpel? Here. Scalpel, not the freaking bandage. Bandage.
Stalker.
Medicine, antibiotics, medkit, and plate treatment.
Okay, can you like shut up?
Okay, I was in a rush, by the way. I had 4 seconds, so I had like 50 seconds to treat this thing. I mean, Ron. I'm gonna just step on his face because he's so annoying. Okay,
Saki Kobashi. Oh, later this girl is going to like cry later. Later this girl is going to cry.
Why is she even gonna cry?
Wait, let me show you. Wait, wanna see her cry?
Yeah.
Wait.
8 iron.
Yeah, I go. Oh, stalker, her, no. Oh my god, why is there a fire? I saw a stalker, like, eyeballs,
Hurry up.
and also a fire, bro.
Hurry up.
Chill, bro, chill. Oh, bro, chill.
Don't go in there.
Go.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Carry her and put her into, like, the trash can.
Okay.
Yeah, put her into the trash can.
Why do I even need to put it in the trash can? I'm gonna just put it in the room too. Because it's forcing me.
Don't, Aisha.
It forced me.
Oh my god. You don't need to. Okay, you have to learn how to say like no or something, bro. Okay, this is just so bad. Why am I with this thing?
What thing? Put it in the trash can or something.
How are we supposed to put the fire extinguisher in the trash can? We need that.
You can't.
We need that.
Brandy.
Let's just.
Oh my god, I forgot.
Okay. When is the doctor visiting?
Can I do the camera lens clip?
Rafi!
Can you stop getting excited? Okay.
Rafi!
Now you stop.
You are a good guy.
Can you stop?
Oh my god. My name is Rafi. I know. My thighs.
You're so short.
Like you.
I know. I knew you were about to say that. Okay, what are you drinking?
Coffee.
Oh, girl. Oh my god.
I kept coffee in my inventory.
16. Hurry up. My sanity is literally at 19 right now. Hurry up. What room are you?
1.
Okay. Hurry up, bro. Oh my god. Finally. Hurry up, my
Go, Rafi was there. Okay. Wait, let's check the cameras. Sakadum padding, padum ting, dum padum king. Sakadum padding.
Why is Rafi looking at me like that?
Oh, don't worry about it. He's always curious for some reason.
Devious.
Curious. Oh my god. Alright, so time to just put him into the trash because I don't care about what he said, about what the game said. So yeah, I put him in the trash. Cat.
Herbs, my best hero.
I don't care.
Why do I scream like that? There was a patient the whole time. I forgot to treat him.
Okay, well, just wow.
I'll treat him first.
Treat Raph you first.
I already.
Okay, that's good. There's 3 more people that needs to be like
I want to see her cry for no reason. Let me see if the coffee's ready.
Love you.
Ooh, look at the moon outside.
Okay, I already saw it. Aisha, there's 1 more patient here. You forgot.
Ref is so short, which I love.
It's there.
Oh, I forgot about him. I remember.
Help you, my Rafi. I treat him like I treat Wembu
Hurry up.
for some reason.
I'm too lazy to.
Can you go to the different couch because I want to like lay down? Okay. 1 more treatment. Okay. Wait. It's so like peaceful out here. I don't know what to do. There's 1 more patient, bro. You left the patient.
Where's the patient?
It's, I don't know. Sakadum bading badum king. Sakadum bading badum king.
Wow.
Wrap you. Oh, there's the patient. Gosh. Alright. Why didn't you just close the stupid thing? I'll grab the medicine and stuff, okay? Are you done?
Oh, I just pressed the wrong thing. I can't get off on screen now.
Okay.
Don't make our dog to look. I dropped the medicine. stepping on my slate now.
You guys, both of you makan dulu. Then kita keluar for scissors, okay?
Okay.
Boleh?
Oh, yeah, doctor is arriving. Hurry up.
Hurry up, I want to use the camera. Whoa.
Oh man, no, no, no. Oh my gosh, prepare, Aisha, prepare. There's like an anomaly attack. We must like rush, okay? It's a rush.
Oh, I know this one.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Bro.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Okay, why is the doctor running?
This one, you want me, Papa take you or I send you little bit?
Apa?
Hah? Papa ambil you?
Yeah, yeah,
Kau Papa?
yeah. Hey, bro, oh my god.
I send you back na, ha?
No, Papa.
Kau Papa? Okay, lambat sikit kita ambil.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Ay, siya.
Oh my god. Aisha, don't worry, I'll treat them.
I really have to make that.
Don't. Oh my god. Go in room 3.
Oh, I need to go in here.
Oh, never mind. It's an anomaly. Anomaly. Just. Oh no, it's the Sakadum Pading. Aisha, it's the Sakadum Pading. Aisha, it's the Sakadum Pading. Oh my god. My sanity is so low, bro. Oh my god. I need more coffee, bro. Sakadum Pading. Sakadum Pading Padung King. Ah. Oh, okay. Sakadum Pading Padung King. Oh my gosh, there's a mimic eating the patient. Where is it? Oh my god, I should. Right, so this is just, we're in big trouble. Oh, Sam, I see it. Oh my god, I cannot. Oh, yep, we're cooked. Okay, yep, I did it in time.
Oh my god.
It's the Sakadum Pading. For some reason, I carried maple syrup because monsters love maple syrup. So they will so I'll just be friends with the monsters so they won't attack me. Yeah.
The patient is taking.
My sanity was so low because of that just now. My sanity gone so low, bro. Sakadum Pading Padum Ding Dum Padum King. Sakadum. Okay, it's just so bad.
Bro.
Where's the camera down?
Oh, 5. 5. Alright, there was a patient you forgot.
Alright, yeah. That was so weird and so bad, bro. Sakadum Padung King. Sakadum Pading Padung King. Ah. Yeah, it's taking way too long, bro. Wait, there's one more patient.
Way wrong.
Yeah, for real. Wait, there's one more patient though.
What patient is it now?
I don't know. Raphael? Wait. Oh yeah, Raphael is it here? He's never going to come to this place ever again. Just kidding, no. Okay, I don't see anyone else though.
Yeah. There's still a patient that's just recovering.
Okay, yeah, that's taking too long.
So you just don't care about that.
Yeah, let's just look at the grounds in case the stalker just kills us. Yeah.
Okay.
Sakadum Pading Padung
When is the
King.
doctor gonna come?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
I want to use the camera lens.
Oh, finally coffee.
That's so high.
Oh my god, Aisha! Wait, don't worry. Okay, Aisha, my sanity is so low right now, Aisha.
I need it to minus 22.
Mine is 25.
Well, mine's good 22. Mine's lens.
Doctor. Yeah, good job. Can you just please give me a coffee, bro?
I need coffee.
I need coffee too. Should I use Robux for my chocolate? For chocolate?
Die. Let me die. So do I exit now?
No, do not. Okay, yes. Oh, yes, coffee.
Ira. Is Barney an anomaly?
No, but I gotta give him coffee though. Wait, I gotta give him maple syrup. Okay, wait up. Don't give him anything first. I'm going to give him a maple syrup for something. I think it works, but I don't think.
When do I exit?
Oh, never mind, it doesn't. Do you have any coffee?
Ira, when do I exit the camera?
Do you have any coffee? Yeah, you can exit the camera now. Do you have any coffee?
I wanted the camera.
Do you have any coffee?
No.
Alright. So now, okay, so bye. Sorry, Barney. He's actually a criminal.
You can have this. You can have the run fast cola thing.
Okay,
It's open, bro. It's open.
the little shop is
How do
open,
I
bro.
get the camera lens thing?
Okay, it doesn't work anymore though. Sakadum padum. Ah. Okay, get ready. Go there. Don't go here.
There's a stalker.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, yep. It's an anomaly. Okay, there we go.
That looks like an anomaly.
It does. It's. I think it's not.
Where?
Okay, it is not an anomaly.
I don't want to play anymore.
Okay, can you serve the other patient thingy? Wait. Can you help? No, you buy something. Can you help this just now? Can you help? I'll help with one.
Room 5 again. Can I clean up? Fine.
Wait, what? Why am I lagging so much? Oops.
We totally forgot we're recording.
Yeah, totally. Room 3. Rafu! Oh, okay, hold on. I need to treat Rafu before anyone else, okay?
I'll clean up the maple syrup.
Okay. Oh my god.
Do I use maple syrup or cough syrup?
Hi, Rafu. Oh, he's making sure I'm okay. That's so nice. Thank you, Rafu. You're so nice.
No, sir.
Oh, hi, Rafu. What? Can you clean up like the cough thingy first?
Yeah.
What? Goody.
Look, I see an end today.
Okay, since I have no cough syrup, I'm just going to like, just do something I don't need to do. Okay, yep, there's more slime. You wanna know a secret? No. They're testing something here. Rafu. Sorry, Rafu. Okay, we're actually locked in now. Is there any more patients?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I thought you were like somewhere else. So, oh my god, how did he get in here? Why am I even checking the cameras? Five.
That fish I need to remove from the frying pan. The lampu you on one, is it? Yeah?
Oh god.
Huh? You on?
Run! We got it! Oh, help! Help!
Don't leave. Wrap you to him. Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, maple syrup is gone. Oh, maple.
He's gonna get, I think, I know.
Okay, we need to tase him or something. We have to tase him. Okay, I got the taser. Where is he?
That's the stalker.
The stalker. Where even is the stalker? Oh, patient recovering. Okay, can the guy that's upstairs, like up at there, should probably stop crying because this place is going to like literally like 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 actually like I don't know like yeah drown yeah wait no not like not like oh wait wait hold, hey there Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm a thousand miles but tonight it's New York City. Oh god
Alright, it's already. We're already at shift 6.
Yeah, I noticed already.
Yes.
Hopefully the doctor comes so you can get the camera thingy.
Okay.
And I can get my paycheck. Oh, the monster is gone. I guess like okay, yeah, right. Oh, there's one more patient. Doctor, hurry up. Okay, go, hurry up. Go. Okay.
Okay, show me how to do it.
Just like stay in the camera. Your side is
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to take the fish out to cook?
Taking all the space away.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Sharon, don't take that. I want to go there inside.
We're going to let's just make it until shift 40 or something. Yeah.
Going like not.
All right. So just wait. All right. Right.
Just wait until I get out.
Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Get out. It didn't work. Okay. So yeah. Shift 7. Shift 7.
Being here for ages, well, you don't want to get out. So if you want to get
Oh, yep. Aisha, you're treating an anomaly. Wait, I'll treat this patient first, and then I'll don't treat that yeah, you're treating an anomaly right now. So
not eating it.
yeah, you're registering
How do I
the
close
patient.
the shutters then? How do I close the shutters on this?
Okay, all right, and then close the shutters. Okay.
A fire!
Yeah, grab that. Okay, yep, that is an anomaly. Oh, Aisha,
My sanity got like, I don't know.
low. All right, so
Oh, I can't revive myself.
all right, so I guess I'm playing alone then.
Can I play another game while I wait for you to die?
Yeah, sure. Okay, why am I even treating this patient? Rafu! Okay, I'll treat you later, Rafu. Okay, never mind. That person is way too low.
Wrap you first.
Okay, fine.
What are you doing?
Okay, stalker. Oh, thank you! Oh my gosh, Rafa Park. Are you serious
Who
right
the
now?
hell is Rafa?
Wait.
Rafa Park.
Okay, let me just get out. Oh man, thank you, Rafu. Oh, sorry, Rafu.
What did Rafu do?
Oh, thank you so much, Rafu.
What did Rafu do?
He said, people don't treat me like I'm an anomaly. But you treat me like a normal like other normal patients. Patient on fire. Oh no. Where's Rafi now? Okay, you know what? I'm leaving. Bye, guys.